Have you heard of people earning good money by trading? Pagkatapos ng napakarami at di mabilang na success stories floating online, I know at some point it intrigued you kung paano nga ba, right? Napakaraming ways to earn money online, but this one, ito talaga yung app na hindi mo aakalaing makaka-earn ka ng ganun kalaki. As in. What is up mga beshi ko? I am back and for today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-earn using Binomo app. Yes, you heard it right. Using Binomo app. What is Binomo app nga ba? Binomo is an online trading platform that will let you invest in and trade a wide range of assets. What makes it convenient is hindi ka i-require nito na magkaroon ng agent. You can access Binomo app via desktop browser and yung app naman na version is also available sa mga application stores like Google Play, App Store, and many more. Syempre, most asked question dito is kung legit ba talaga? And the answer is of course, yes. Lahat na ituturo ko sa channel ko ay legit pa sa pagmamahalan yung dalawa. Kidding aside, but Binomo is vetted and regulated by a financial commission, which is isang independent organization that handles disputes and complaints in financial market. So, ano nga ba ang pwedeng i-trade kay Binomo? Binomo has a range of financial instruments na nagiging ideal platform for investors diversifying their portfolio. So you can trade goods such as gold and silver, equity securities of large companies such as Google and Apple, currency pairs such as euros and USD, and global indices. Trading newbies can particularly benefit Binomo. You know why? This is because the platform offers a demo account which essentially gives you a feel on what trading on Binomo is like. So, how are we going to start? That's the question. Syempre, first of all, gagawa muna tayo ng account. Just open Google at i-search mo Binomo Online Trading or just simply visit Binomo's official page or i-download mo na lang yung app from application store. Kung gumagamit ka ng desktop o browser, i-click mo lang sign in button found at the upper right corner of the page. Next part is i-enter mo lang email address mo at password syempre. Next, is piliin mo naman sana ako this time. Hi. So, piliin mo yung currency that will be used for your deposit and trading. Syempre, basa-basa din ng Binomo's client agreement and privacy policy, and after that, click the check box. Doing so also confirm that you are an adult. Ganon. Sunod naman ay i-check mo yung email mo and open the email sent to you by Binomo. Then, click the confirm email button. If you are excited to learn how to use Binomo app, hold your horses first kasi kailangan muna natin ma-verified yung account. According to Binomo, verification is a confirmation kung registered nga ba ang identity ng mga traders. This is the procedure required by financial market regulators and partners that offers payment services. Syempre, verification also helps to safeguard your funds, diba? Kung yung account nyo ay na-stole, you have the chance of getting your funds back as long as you are a verified user. So, what are you waiting guys? To learn more about online success in earning money, alam nyo na kung anong gagawin nyo, isubscribe mo na yan. Click the notification bell at para naman updated ka sa mga new money-making method ko na mga katulong para may pang fishbowl na tayo later. So, going back to the topic, Binomo says that ang verification process ay nagtitake lamang ng 10 minutes. So, here's how it goes. Once na na-send na ang verification request, you'll receive a pop-up notification. On the said notification, click the verify button. Pwede mo rin i-click sa profile picture mo to open the menu that contains the verify button. Syempre, you'll be redirected to a page that lists all the documents needed for your verification. Verify your identity first by pressing the Verify button next to the identity document and a pop-up box will appear. Click the check boxes and then the Next button. From the drop-down menu, select the country where your pertinent document is issued. Tapos, i-choose mo lang yung document type, then click the Next button again. I-upload mo lang yung document that you nominated. Binomo accepts documents in the following formats: JPG, PNG, and PDF. After uploading the document, click the Next button. In case na kailangan mo i-replace yung document, click the Edit button lang. Now, your documents have been submitted for review. Click the OK button to return to the verification page. So important note mga beshi ko, your ID verification will bear the status of pending. Once your submission is confirmed, it will change to done. After that, you can start verifying your payment method, which follows similar procedure. Syempre, bago tayo mag-trade ay kailangan muna natin ng enough funds sa ating account. Load it up using the following steps. So for illustrative purposes, ay gagamitin ko ang GCash to deposit money. Click mo lang yung deposit button found at the upper right corner if you are at the home page. From the menu of countries, select Philippines, then select GCash under the payment method. Enter mo lang yung amount that you want to deposit, then click the deposit button. You'll need to log into your GCash account at syempre enter the 6-digit authentication code and then your GCash PIN, then click Next. Then click to pay. To check the deposit in your Binomo account, click Deposit button, then Transaction History. You should see the status there. Mga beshi, sample lang ang GCash ha. Marami pang pwedeng gamitin na channels for depositing like GrabPay and CoinsPH and marami pang iba. Now, dito pagtitrade tayo ng isa beshi. So, dito all you need to think about is itong si downward arrow and si upward arrow. So, pipili tayo dyan ng isa. So, ako, I'm feeling papunta na siya sa taas. So, let's click up. Yun, panalo na naman tayo dito kay Binomo. Ganun lang siya mga beshi ko. So ayun, may pang-fishball na tayo mga beshi ko for today's video. So yun lang guys, I'll see you on my next video.